Okay, welcome back to the training. For the next video, we're going to talk about script to video and how you can have more control. Here is the settings tab. We'll go over that one more time just in case you didn't watch the first one. You're going to land on the home page here. It's going to look just like this. And then you're going to go over to settings. Under settings, you have control over which tool you want to use, Midjourney or Leonardo. The previous one I used Midjourney, so we're just going to stay with that. And then if you want to use your own voice, you can set up your 11 Labs API. We'll talk about that in another video. But you just add your API here, and then you hit check, and then you can select the video you have in your list. If you're curious to what it sounds like, you just hit play. So I'm going to pause the video, put in my API. The one thing that I'd like to mention is if you don't want the text on, if you want to add text via another app or whatever, you can just uncheck that. And then this is where you're going to be saving that file. Once it creates the video, where is it going to save? That's that location on your computer. So let me pause the video and I'm going to put in my API key. Okay, so again, these quotes videos, you just select the one you want, and then you put in the number of videos, and it'll create that style of video with your voice. It'll just be a short, sweet kind of quotes video. This one is a scrolling video. That's what we're going to be doing next. So I'm not going to go too much into that, but it's, these 5 websites could change your life kind of style video, or these are the new listings of the week, or Amazon hot finds, or whatever. But we're going to dive into that in the next video, kind of out of the scope of training for this one. But we're going to be focused on this one, script to video, and what we're doing here. So the last one, we used short video. I'm moving to Dallas, Texas, so I'm going to take this. There's 2 ways you can do this. If you're a GPT-4 user, I'm going to link to a GPT that I've created purposely for this, and it's going to help you create a script. So it just speeds up the process. If not, you can go to this download guide, and this will show you the exact script style that you need to put in there. So if you do a completed script example, you can just copy that straight into GPT and say, hey, I want to use this. And then it'll create a script based on that. So it'd say, I want to use this format, but ignore the content, and then it will create that for you. So that's one way of doing it. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to show you the way using the GPT that I've created for everybody. So if you go, I'm going to send below this link, you will see a link to Script Master. You click on that, and then when you click on that, you can just simply type in, short video, I'm moving to Dallas, and do that, right? And with this, it's better because you get to see, what each scene is going to look like. If you don't like something about the narration, you can update that. I mean, there's just so much more control that you have. Soon in future updates, once we move this to an online tool, you'll be able to actually switch out the images before it's produced and animate as well. So, but we'll let this go ahead and go through, and then I will put it in a Scriptube and show you what we need to do for modifications at all or any. Because even with this, it's not perfect, so you just gotta sometimes make minor modifications. So this one looks like it's going to have 4 points, maybe 5 points. and an outro, so six or seven scenes in total. And I found out like better if you're wanting to make a shorter video, you just tell it, hey, I need it, 40 to 60 seconds. If you use the description of short, it sometimes doesn't really listen to you. So we're going to copy all this. And I already noticed one or two minor errors that it needs to be changed for Scriptube to work right according to this download guide. So opening scene image prompt, that's not correct. It needs to be opening scene, and then this needs to be image. I will correct that in the GPT here moving forward. And then I saw another one, I believe. I'm just going to copy this. And then the very last one, closing scene image prompt. That's not correct. That's not right. So we're just going to go and move that to like image 6. So after we do that, it looks like it's good, and we are going to pick the style that you want. If you want it to be shorts, you click that one. If you want an HD, you click this one. I did shorts last time, so I'm going to go ahead and do full HD this time so you can see the difference. And then we'll just click start. So we've already generated the script. So it doesn't have to go out and generate the script. So this does speed up the process. So converting text to HD video script, converting text to audio, because it already has the script, so it can do that just a lot faster. And then we're still using Midjourney. Here soon we're going to have the ability to use DALL-E 3. In the previous video, we saw some like signs and things that literally said for sale, and just for sale signs or whatever signs, Dallas. So if you used something like that in your script, you want it to be more precise. You want it to actually be a logo of Dallas, right? So right now it's getting images of Midjourney. So the benefits of using this is if I said, logo for the city of Dallas, Texas, and then we put like, welcome to Dallas. Texas sign, and then we say please create an image. It will create an image for that. You always want to be nice to the AI, by the way. You never know. You just never know. So it's going to create an image for that. I just want to go back, and I'm going to go into my Midjourney and show you what we looked at the previous video, and show you the difference here, because I think that's very important. So welcome to Dallas, D-A-L-L-A-S, Texas, right? I mean, that's a significantly better. It's even got a symbol of a hat and Texas and oil well and spokes of a wagon. I mean, it's just better. That's all there is to it. So if you go back over to Midjourney and you see the ones that Midjourney created, let me see here. Yeah, these right here, like that doesn't look like anything. I mean, yeah, it's got the city outline and it looks pretty good. And then that kind of looks like Dallas too, so that looks good. But these that have this weird random text, I don't understand. But it did, at least it did get the Cowboy star right and the color of their uniforms. And I'm not sure what this little zebra or whatever that's that is in the background there. But I mean, some of these are really good. This one's really, really good. And then that one's just random. But these still, so this is the shorts version, but it's vertical. It's a 4:7. So, and then this is 7:4, which is going to be like a full size square or HD image. And it's starting to create this image scenes for that too. So here we go. Yeah, it's just nice looking images. That actually looks like Dallas. So, and then your neighborhood, and then, I mean, so I like to look at the scene, the image, and then the description of what it's saying. So that looks like a fairly interesting image. Here's another one. So I like these. Again, we're going to be able to create some motion for y'all in the future if y'all opt into that. So like the water will be moving. Yeah, things like that. People are actually walking around in the fountain. So this looks really close to like Dallas. Dallas Arts District, that resembles it. Yeah, but it's going to keep making images for the scene. I was hoping it would make some for Deep Ellum because those are always looking really good. Well, it is. This is Bishop Arts and Deep Ellum. But usually it shows like different murals and other things that you could see in Dallas. These look good though. I like them. So we're going to continue with that. And then once it's done, we'll play the video. But that's basically how it's done. If you want to be able to change your prompts, you can do that. You can do like, drone photography here. You could do, you could even get crazy. You can do Pixar, or you could do, any of those kinds of styles, and it's to create images according to that style. So it's still like at Town Lake, so it's got a few more to do. I think it's still got to do food and things like that. So we'll pause the video and wait for it to finish up. All right, so the process is completed. It did take about 10 or 11 minutes to complete. It's not that bad. You can always do that another way, so it will be faster. Another thing is if you use Leonardo as your image generation tool, it will speed up the process a little bit. The quality they're both excellent. They really are. They're both really, really good. So you just have to decide which one you like the best. So let's find and play the video. Let's see. Here it is. Let's see what it plays. Again, we're going to have to play it with VLC.
Welcome to Dallas, Texas, a bustling metropolis where modernity meets rich history, offering endless opportunities and a vibrant lifestyle. Let's explore why moving to Dallas could be your next big adventure. Dallas boasts a wide array of housing options to suit every taste and budget, from the heart of downtown to serene suburban neighborhoods. Whether you're seeking a high-rise apartment with city views or a cozy home in a quiet street, Dallas has a place for you. With a thriving economy, Dallas is a land of opportunity, home to numerous Fortune 500 companies, innovative startups, and a robust job market in technology, finance, healthcare, and more. Moving to Dallas opens up a world of professional possibilities. Dallas's cultural heartbeat is strong, with an array of museums, galleries, and performance venues that cater to every artistic inclination. The Dallas Arts District and numerous parks offer spaces to explore, relax, and connect with the community. Foodies and fashionistas rejoice. Dallas's diverse dining scene and shopping districts offer an endless array of cuisines and styles. From the historic charm of the Bishop Arts District to the edgy vibes of Deep Ellum, there's always something new to discover. Embrace the outdoors in Dallas, where urban parks, lakes, and trails offer a breath of fresh air and a chance to unwind. Whether it's biking on the Katy Trail or picnicking by White Rock Lake, the city's green spaces await your exploration. Dallas, Texas, is a city of opportunity, culture, and community. With its diverse neighborhoods, thriving job market, rich cultural scene, and abundant green spaces, Dallas offers a quality of life that's hard to beat. Are you ready to call Dallas your new home? Join us as we continue to explore the endless possibilities that this vibrant city has to offer.
And there you have it. This is exactly how to use Scriptube, and it's super easy to do. You just have to play with it. But if you have any questions, let us know. Next video, we're going to talk about scrolling videos and how to use them. So there's a little prep involved here because you have to download this guide, and we're going to walk through that. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.